in today's video, we will be defeating ice admirals in Block Street. Yeah. And I'll also be maxing out my sound fruit, and my cousin Theon will be maxing out his shadow fruit. Let's go. Guys, he's not here. Let's hook him again. Let's go right there in this server. Join me now.
No, my Amber meter is so bad. Because I don't have the main expansion.
True. Why do you laugh? Starting to join me to look at admiral. I'm joking. Oh, you already joined? Why are the highest coming to the lowest? Yeah, that might go because... No guys, we're gonna have to literally. No guys, we're gonna have to go into a different server. Let me see. Oh, join me in a 4. Only 4 players are in that. Exactly, only 4 players are in my server. Say join us.
Wait, let's see. Wait, whoever has the see here. Wait, let's see.
Oh, 3. Actually, I was incorrect. 3 players. 2 players. So it is 3 players in the server.
Have you got other people?
Do you?
No, you just don't.
Yeah, but my instant didn't go far. Guys, I'm going to quickly put my thing on charge, okay? So you can take your charger. But I don't really care about who that even gone color. Color guys, it's kind of my first time using So guys, can you hear me louder now? Sorry. Oh, I got so many mastery, but I don't have enough mastery since I need 175.
I don't need 70. Let's go and look for other masters.
Okay, join my...
No, I'm just gonna look and see if there's any other bosses.
Okay guys, we're going to kill. We're going to kill things. Oh, I just realized I have library key. I have library key. I just realized that. Guys, I'm going to the library. This door? Where is this door? Oh. I'm very happy like a level higher, I swear.
No, you only need 600. No, yeah, you only need 400. Not really.
Dark star, what do you mean?
If you want to get 400
On dark star?
yeah.
Oh yeah, fair. So guys, imagine I go and roll a fruit and I get lucky and I roll like a bad fruit. I'm going to try do that.
No, if you do it, you might as well just give it to me because think about it. Hear me out there. You got low mastery, so it's gonna be very hard.
I have mushroom, guys. In this account, I'm mushroom. Guys, I'm rolling a fruit for the subscribers, okay? Oh, boom! Let me scroll that. Oh no. I guess this is I have it. Imagine. Okay, let me use my shot wave and TNT for getting. Hey, look at my shot.
I'm gonna get this.
We get rabbit routine, and then you get ratio, and if you roll like shot or maximum cyborg, you can't roll cyborg actually. I'm gonna get it. Oh, the charger ain't working.
Wait, pass.
It's kind of broken, right? It's broken.
Take it out. Oh, it's not.
Alpha, see.
What are you gonna say?
It's breaking, yeah. Wait, guys. Now, guys, if me and my cousin defeats this boss,
we're gonna get more than what we need.
If we defeat the boss,
I find slingshot for infinite health.
Oh yeah, true that.
And if I also get it was good. If I also get wall, that's gonna be infinite health.
True. But true. That
curses.
yeah. But can't lie. Yeah. Guys, can't lie. I might try to get cyborgs for damage. Because cyborg does loads of damage when if you're standing still and then you're attacking someone.
Depends how long. Wait, what is?
Wait, how do you get cyborg? Yeah? How do you get cyborg? Like I barely know
That was water fighters, my bad. Oh, he's not here, I guess.
You wasted my time. I'm joking. But guys,
wait, we can just kill the little guys for the master instead.
How much mastery do you give you?
Huh?
How much mastery do they give you?
I'll look in a minute. I gotta kill one first. I do so much damage to these guys. I did a good combo and they're half dead.
Well, no. I'm joking. But guys, mastery. That's not even bad. If I put like several of them, at least they don't give you no mastery. At least more like no mastery.
And they still only give one.
Guys, I'm good cafe.
Wait, I'm getting yours below. I can get them both for you.
Yeah. Guys, I'm going to do some grinding, so I will see you guys later. See when epic stuff is about. Sorry, I should have started there. Is about to happen. Okay. See ya.